Insta360 just leaked their biggest 360 camera ever, and it's an absolute beast. This is the X6. We're talking about massive sensor upgrades, a completely redesigned body, and specs that are honestly kind of insane. If you've been waiting for the ultimate action cam to take your travel vlogs to the next level, the wait is almost over. Let's break it down. What's up, guys? Today we are finally diving into the leaked details for the Insta360 X6. While Insta360 hasn't held the official launch event just yet, recent regulatory filings and leaked retail renders have given us the full picture. We're going to cover the new design, the massive spec jump, expected pricing, and when you can actually get your hands on one. Let's get into it. First off, the design. At first glance, it looks familiar, but the X6 is more compact than the X5. It's stubbier, more rugged, and feels more like a dedicated action cam than ever before. We're seeing a brighter 1200 nit OLED touchscreen for dedicated microphones for better spatial audio and a sturdier mounting point underneath. It's lighter, too, at about 195 grams. This new form factor is going to be way less top-heavy on your helmets or selfie sticks. Plus, the build feels like it's designed to handle actual abuse. Better cooling, a bigger battery compartment, and that classic Insta360 waterproofing we all rely on. Now, let's talk numbers. This is where the X6 earns its name. Sensors. We're jumping to dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. That is a significant increase over the X5's 1/1.28-inch sensors. Larger sensors mean better dynamic range and way cleaner footage in low light. Resolution. You're looking at 8K at 50 frames per second for 360-degree video. That 50 frames per second is huge for action sports. It's going to make your reframed footage look buttery smooth. Action mode. In single lens mode, we're reportedly getting 5K 60 frames per second or 4K 120 frames per second for those crisp slow motion shots. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 support and 120 Hz live preview on that screen. Everything is just faster. Specs are great, but the features make the experience. The X6 is bringing 3 massive upgrades. AI Auto Edit. The new AI tracking is next-gen. It identifies subjects faster and suggests better reframes automatically. Battery life. We're looking at a 2,600 mAh battery. Reports suggest up to 233 minutes of recording time. That's a massive jump from the X5, meaning fewer battery swaps on long hikes. Thermal management. Better cooling means less overheating during those long 8K sessions. If you're a creator, you know how important that stability is. Pricing and release? Leaks point to a standard bundle around $549 to $599. It's a slight bump from the X5, but considering the sensor and battery upgrades, it's understandable. As for the launch, FCC filings are already cleared, which is the final hurdle. Expect an official reveal in late August or September 2026. So should you wait? If you're rocking an X5, the 8K 50 frames per second and improved low-light performance make the X6 a very tempting upgrade, especially for pros. If you're still on an X3 or older, this is absolutely the one to wait for. It's shaping up to be the best 360 camera on the market. What do you think? Is 8K 50 frames per second worth the price increase? Or are you sticking with your current gear? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the official review the second this thing drops. See you guys in the next one.